Morning, bore da.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, everybody got to you.
Oh,
Come in.
fantastic. My name is Gerald Walker, and I'm a social worker for Foster Wales.
You ready for a cuppa?
Oh, I would love one, thanks. A big part of my job is supporting foster carers. How's the family? And my role is to provide supervision, training, give guidance. It's about the journey and supporting the foster carer and keeping children safe.
We've been foster carers for the last 24 years. Over the 24 years, we've fostered over 100 children.
We've had lovely photos of boys the last week, wasn't it?
It is a journey, and you see the child coming in, and you work really hard with that child. And then when you see the outcome, it's so rewarding.
Oh, lovely.
Look at how much they've grown.
Gosh.
A child's life has been improved by coming to you. That's the best part of being a foster carer.
I think anyone who is considering taking up fostering, obviously it could be a bit daunting for you if you've never dealt with social workers before. At the end of the day, when you meet a social worker, somebody like Gerald, you realise the main priority is just looking after the children.
I never really knew what a social worker's role was, to be honest. There's a lot of stigma, unfortunately, about social workers, but I can't recommend them highly enough.
Oh, she's not shy, is she?
No,
she's not shy
at
no.
all. She absolutely loved
great.
it. Gerald has been a massive support for us. He's part of the family. We just love him. One of the children we cared for was of mixed heritage, and unfortunately we had some issues in school with racism. I phoned Gerald straight away to get some advice, and his information and knowledge was invaluable, and I can never thank him enough for that.
I'd like to say thank you to all foster carers. Seeing those children grow, reaching their potential, it is really touching, and that is what social work is all about for me. If you're considering being a foster carer, there is no age barrier. You don't have to be married, you can be single, you can be a same-sex couple, you could have a disability. All these foster carers have got a loving heart. They can share that love, they can share their experience and sharing that through the community. I believe that more people will come forward to become foster carers.